Your words on this occasion.
Jai Gurudatta. Om Sri Sadgurubhyo Namaha. With the Koti Pranams at the lotus feet of Parama Pujya Sri Ganapati Sachidananda Swamiji and Pujya Sri Datta Vijayananda Tirtha Swamiji, I just want to give you one small piece of anecdote, and it is a small personal experience. Nada, Dr. Murthy Gauru has already explained, and various aspects of Nada probably has only touched upon. He could not give the entire range of the text due to paucity of time. My experience, I can tell you that. I take you back to 26th of October this year, where Pujya Sri Swamiji gave a wonderful concert, music therapy concert, music for meditation and healing in Chennai Ashram. It was supposed to be in Music Academy Hall. It is, Swamiji said, I want to do it only in the ashram. It was a Silver Jubilee celebration. So Swamiji wanted to do it in the ashram to commemorate the Silver Jubilee celebration. It is on 25th of October, not 26th, sorry. On 25th. And during those days, I was running high temperature and severe body pain. I don't know, it was some sort of a virus attack. And with all that, we had to do the work. So I was there all the time in the ashram. And when I had Darshana Swamiji, 2 days before that, at the time of arrival, he said, 25th, I'm going to cure you. I'm going to make sure that you'll be all right on 25th. Same thing happened. Swamiji, during the concert, he elaborated Raga Simedra Madhyamam. That went on for about 45 minutes. It's beautiful. All of us lost ourselves in this the Nada. Nada, and it pervades the entire the hall, our ashram hall. It transported every one of us to a different level and different plane. And it was a beautiful rendition of Simedra Madhyamam, and various aspects, the nuances of the raga was brought out beautifully. I don't have that kind of right to say it was done beautifully because I don't know music much. But it transported every one of us to a different level. What happened that night, I slept very well. Next day, there was a Sunday, 26th. I totally got rid of my fever was totally gone, and my body pain also completely reduced. What else you need to know about music? Music as such is pleasing, and it gives a mental peace and tranquility. So, yesterday you could have seen, we had a beautiful presentation of Dasa Sahityam and also Swamiji's compositions. That Anand Kulkarni, I remember his name, Anand Kulkarni started with a Hamir Kalyani Raga, Dasa Kriti. It was so beautifully rendered. It gives such a tremendous amount of peace and tranquility in the mind. And that is the only thing that we need out of Nada. And once you get that kind of mental peace, whatever diseases you have, it slowly disappears. It is all because of our Swamiji, beloved Swamiji, because he only taught us about the Nada Sikitsha. Jai Gurudatta. Thank you.
We thank Jairam uncle for those kind remarks. and sharing his experience, recent experience with Swamiji's music. And now we request Puja Swamiji to bless the scholar, Professor Sadashiva Murthy Garu. సంగీత రత్నాకరం అని ఈ గ్రంథం పేరు. ఆయన మాట్లాడినటువంటి గ్రంథం మొత్తానికి సంగీత శాస్త్రానికి అంతటికీ కూడా చాలా ప్రధానమైనటువంటి ప్రాథమిక గ్రంథం అన్నమాట అది. మనమందరం కూడా స్వామీజీ వారి యొక్క సంగీతం నాద చికిత్స కచేరీలు వింటున్నాం. దానికి స్వామీజీ పెట్టిన పేరు అందరికీ తెలుసు కదా, ఏమిటది? రాగసాగర. రాగం అంటే సంగీతం అన్నమాట, సాగరం అంటే రత్నాకరం. కాబట్టి రాగసాగరం యొక్క ఒక బేసిస్ సంగీత రత్నాకరం అని చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. అటువంటి గ్రంథం మీద చాలా చక్కటి ప్రసంగం చేసినటువంటి సదాశివమూర్తి గారికి స్వామీజీ ఇప్పుడు తమ ప్రసాదాన్ని అందజేయబోతున్నారు. I request Shri H.V. Prasad to honor the scholar.